Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this pack of reusable bags. Now these feel amazing. It's almost like a transparent, but you can kind of see through it still. And they're each color coded. So this is a gallon size bag. You've got the blue top. It's got a nice double seal all the way across it. So you can easily seal it up and keep everything in there. You've got a sandwich size bag and little snack bags. So that is a nice variety set that you're able to get. So I've already put a couple of pretzels in here just so you can see like what is in there. And as you can see, you can actually use this everywhere. So you've got it reusable, you can put it in the dishwasher and freezer. I mean, top rack washing. That is great. And they sit up on their own, no matter what's on there. They're not falling over, it's nice flat bottom. Filled this one up with water so you can see it holds it all. It is nice and leak proof. That is amazing. So if you wanted to store some juices or something like that in there, you can easily seal this up, put it in the freezer and know that it's not going anywhere. These are great reusable bags that can be used for pretty much anything.